In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the trash folder in Canva and how you can permanently delete or restore your designs step by step. This is super useful if you've accidentally deleted a project or if your Canva account is getting cluttered and you want to clean things up properly. A lot of people don't even realize Canva has a trash folder, so if you've ever wondered where deleted designs go, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account where the deleted designs were originally created, because the trash folder is account specific. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen. This is where you normally see your recent designs, templates, and projects. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. This opens up the main Canvas side menu, where you can access different sections of your account. When the side menu opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll see an option called Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. This will open the Canva trash folder, where all your recently deleted designs are stored. Inside the trash folder, you'll see a list of designs that have been deleted but not permanently removed yet. Canva keeps these items here so you can recover them if you change your mind. To manage any item, click on the three-dotted menu next to the design you want to work with. From here, you'll see options to either restore the design or delete it permanently. If you choose Delete from Trash, Canva will ask you to confirm. Once you confirm, that design will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered, so make sure you're absolutely certain before doing this. If you want to delete multiple designs at once, click on the checkmark or tick icon to select more than one item. You can then click on Delete and confirm Delete from Trash to permanently remove all selected items at the same time. This is a great way to quickly clean up your trash folder. Now, if instead you want to recover a design, click on the three-dotted menu for that item again and choose Restore. The design will be removed from the trash folder and placed back into your Canva projects. To double-check that it worked, click on the Projects option in the side menu, and you should see the restored design back where it belongs, ready to be edited or downloaded again. And that's all there is to accessing and managing the trash folder in Canva. You now know how to find deleted designs, permanently remove them, or restore them in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.